Your first girl got her mucus on your best friend Lucas. In case you got amnesia, your second girl Felicia, who was no Mona Lisa, tried by all means to get in my jeans on Jerry's trampoline. And then for Sam you had to thank me, 'cause I said scram when she said spank me. Looking like an albino gorilla from the Congo, she wanted me to hit that hiney like a booty bongo. And you acted like you won the lotto when I said no to a guano grotto. So you should consider me your hero, 'cause I gave you my sloppy zero. Then Gabby tried to bite me and invite me to a strip show. She wanted a threesome, but I wasn't slow to say no to that combo. Then right away she let you go. Not enough dough, a blow to stay her Romeo. And that's all I know about your grody hoe rodeo. The worst thing I did behind your back was refuse your girl's advances. Your own mom thought I was a snack and tried to take her chances. I got offered oceans of promotions while at work, while you caused commotions when your emotions went berserk. Remember on the dock when you punched yourself in the head, because to no one's shock she went for Billings instead. You said you'd knock him out and leave him for dead. While on the clock you should've watched what you said. All you did was mock and allow rumors to spread. Might as well lock yourself in your room and stay in bed. Everything you had I took and made it look better. Skateboarding and Resident Evil and even that Walmart sweater. People ask if it's like a slap in the face when you're acting so rude. I tell them no matter what happens, I'll be okay. No matter what happens, he's screwed. We even made it our mission to ease your condition and tried to help you so hard for years. Now we'll fill the graveyard with cheers. Now that I'm done showing you a real brag, and knowing a Samoan might be going in a body bag. Unless I can inspire your priorities, you might expire prior to your 40s. Until you drop the meth, you're a breath away from death. You could exchange your derangement for a wife.